In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with icons in Figma. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started, this 5-minute guide will offer you a straightforward, effective way to navigate Figma's interface and use icons to enhance your designs. Let's dive right in. First off, we'll start by opening Figma. Figma is an incredibly flexible collaborative interface design tool that many professionals in the design world rely on for its robust feature set. If you aren't familiar yet, just head over to figma.com and log in to access your workspace. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're in Figma, find your way over to the home page. This space is where you can access all your files, and it's essentially your design hub. Here, you'll be able to view your recent projects and navigate between different design resources shared by teammates. Think of it as your creative command center. Now, locate the file you want to open. Clicking on a specific file is straightforward enough. This will bring you directly to the design workspace, where you can start implementing layouts, making changes, or experimenting with new visual ideas. This is your blank canvas where your creativity can truly take flight. Once you're in the design file, focus your attention on the left panel where you will spot the Assets tab. Click on Assets to reveal a wealth of resources at your disposal, including components, assets, and much more. The Assets panel is a critical part of Figma, as it houses elements you can easily drag and drop into your projects, significantly speeding up the design process. Next, you'll want to search for an icon. Icons can be incredibly useful in guiding users, representing actions, or simply adding a visual punch to your design. In the search bar located within the Assets panel, type the name of the icon you're looking for, whether it's a magnifying glass for search, a heart for favorites, or any other symbol. The search function is there to help you quickly find what you need. After you've found the perfect icon, simply select it. You'll notice that Figma's interface allows you to customize icons as needed. You can resize them, change their color, and integrate them seamlessly into your design. This versatility is one of Figma's strongest points, empowering designers to craft work that meets their exact specifications. And there you have it. By following these easy steps, you can efficiently incorporate icons into your Figma projects, enhancing your designs with visual elements that can be both functional and aesthetically pleasing. With practice, navigating and utilizing icons in Figma will become second nature, allowing your creativity to thrive without hindrance. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!